How to use Live Translate on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to use the Live Translate option on Android. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to go ahead and do is download the Google Translate application on your device. Go to Play Store, tap on the search icon, and simply search for Translate. Click on the first thing that you see here on Google Translate. If you see an update button, update the app. If you don't have the app, you'll have the install button. So basically install the app to its latest version. Once you have done that, just open it up and log into your account. So I'll go ahead and open up Google Translate from here. Once you've opened up the app, you can select your language, tap on it, and let's say if I want to translate English to I'll go down here. Let's say if I want to change it to Filipino, I can select this and you can start speaking by holding on to the mic, or you can have a conversation as well. So tap on conversation. You need the audio that you'll record, so it will be recorded for the translation as well. So since I'm using mic for the video recording here, I should be able to do this. So I'll just tap on OK, and you'll have your conversation starting. It's going to automatically translate it for you. Once that is done, you'll also have an option to translate it live using the voice action. Tap on the mic. You can easily start speaking and it will convert it to Filipino. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.